Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make vegetarian miso ramen, easy, flavorful ramen noodle dish. You will need 2 servings of ramen noodles, 2 cups of vegetable of choice. For the soup, 1 clove of garlic, 1 clove of ginger, 1/8 of onion, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of miso paste. Step 1. Cut the vegetable of choice into thin strips for the toppings. Step 2. Mince garlic, ginger, and onion for the soup. Step 3. Heat a large pot over medium heat. Add sesame oil and cook the minced garlic, ginger, and onion until you can smell their aromatic flavors. Step 4. Add water, sake, mirin, and soy sauce to the pot and bring the soup to a boil. Step 5. Add vegetable of choice to the pot and simmer for a couple of minutes. Step 6. Turn off the heat. Add miso and stir gently until it dissolves. Step 7. Boil the ramen noodles according to the package instructions and drain. Step 8. Place the drained noodles in a serving bowl and ladle the hot soup over the noodles. Place the vegetables on top. I hope you will enjoy this veggie-loaded miso ramen. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.